My kid's palate needs to be expanded, but turning this metal screw is stressful for both of us.
Now there's a better way. The Invisalign palatal expander is more comfortable, with no metal, no screw.
Back in early 2024, Align launched Invisalign Palatal Expander System, a modern and innovative direct 3D printed device based on a proprietary and patented technology. The Invisalign palatal expanders are intended for use in rapid expansion and subsequent holding of skeletal and/or dental narrow maxilla with primary, mixed, or permanent dentition during treatment of growing patients. It is, in fact, Align's first direct 3D printed orthodontic device and provides a safe, comfortable, and clinically effective alternative to metal palatal expanders that require manually turning a screw in the device in the mouth daily to achieve expansion. That's not all. H1 2025, Align announced that it's expecting to launch Invisalign First direct 3D printed retainers in late 2025. So how does a company that produces north of 1 million custom aligner parts every day go about transforming its mass customization capabilities and drive the next stage of growth? Let's make a deep dive. Q1 24, Align Technology completed the acquisition of Cubicure for $85 million in deal value, marking a significant shift in the company's strategic direction. This acquisition underscores Align's ambitions to transition from manufacturing aligner molds to directly producing 3D printed aligners. The partnership between Align and Cubicure began in 2021, when Align made a strategic investment of $10 million in the Vienna-based additive manufacturing company. Shortly thereafter, Cubicure developed its Sirion Tri 3D printer, a leading solution for the direct 3D printing of palatal expander devices, which laid the foundation for Align's Invisalign Palatal Expander or IPE product line. Furthermore, insightsZ also predicts that Cubicure's 3D printing platform will enable rapid chairside production of additional customized dental appliances in short-term future. insightsZ has analyzed over 350 patents, so you don't have to. Based on our findings, we believe it's only a matter of time before Align Technology overcomes the current manufacturing limitations facing the global clear aligner industry. You can explore our technology forecasts in greater detail in our latest keynote presentation. In our independent research report, we presented forward-looking projections on future iterations of the Invisalign Palatal Expander, envisioning the integration of clear aligners to create a more seamless and efficient medical device. Our comprehensive analysis of Align Technology's patent portfolio also suggests that upcoming versions of the Invisalign IPE may feature advanced materials and sensor-based technologies designed to enhance treatment comfort and improve overall patient compliance. September 2023, Align Technology achieved a significant milestone by securing its first patent for the direct 3D fabrication of clear aligners and retainers. This development highlights the company's growing emphasis on in-house 3D printing capabilities and solidifies its position at the forefront of the industry's shift toward direct 3D fabrication of clear aligners. AM Heavyweight 3D Systems also announced its goal to commercialize direct 3D printing technology for clear aligners by the second half of 2026. Additionally, the company secured a multi-year purchase agreement with Align, estimated at $250 million, to support the indirect manufacturing of clear aligners through 2028. Currently, 3D Systems technology facilitates the production of approximately 1 million patient-specific clear aligners per day in this category. Once valued at $9.5 billion in 2013, 3D Systems has seen its market capitalization plummet to just over $313 million as of August 2025. In the last years, the decline followed the burst of the additive manufacturing bubble and the realization that bioprinting, while promising, remains a distant prospect. Recent developments further exposed several of 3D Systems' vulnerabilities, including its substantial financial reliance on orders from Align Technology. Earlier this year, following the announcement of Align's deal with Cubicure, 3D Systems' stock price dropped by 15% in February 2025, with the company's investor relations team noting significant shareholder inquiries regarding the deal, especially given 3D Systems' substantial share of Align's business. The company's stock has frequently moved in tandem with Align Technology's earnings reports, raising concerns about its future position in the market.
So we've been a key supplier to Align for many, many years as they've grown globally now. And many people's lives have been touched by that product, either yourself, your kids, maybe you're young enough, maybe your parents, but a lot of folks, especially coming out of COVID. So we've been a long-term supplier of printing technology and materials, consumables for them. Last year, we signed a 5-year, $250 million contract with them for the supply of materials for their printers worldwide. We just finished the first year of that contract. It's got 4 to go, and there's more and more participants coming in that market every day. So they've got a great business. They have a super business model. Undoubtedly, they'll face competition, and they've got a strong focus on cost with us to continue to bring the cost of aligners down. And the evolution there will be, today it's called an indirect method. You print a mold and you form plastic over it, and that mold is basically customized to match your mouth and where your teeth are going. In the future, the trend will be to direct print those aligners. So you avoid the mold altogether and you direct print them to match your mouth. And you can do it faster, and you can move teeth. Principally, you can move them further because you can customize the thickness of the aligner. Today, there's a limit on how far you can move teeth with each one of the aligners. With direct printing, you have the advantage that it offers the capability to move teeth further and further encroach on the old-fashioned wire system that people still wear.
Direct 3D printing aligners is one of the holy grails of the dental world.
About $125, $130. So just apples to apples, you could say $5 to actually print the direct print aligner or retainer, as opposed to a traditional model that might be somewhere around $2 and a piece of Zendura or tagless plastic that could be $3 to $4. The huge benefit that we see is when you think traditional aligners, you don't have to thermoform. If you're using a light cure composite to block out, to rough cut, to trim cut, and all the labor around it, that's the big difference for doctors to do.
insightsZ continues to track market trends and commercial developments, concluding that despite the PR buzz around emerging players like Graphy Inc. and LuxCreo, established leaders such as Align Technology and 3D Systems are best positioned to redefine the category. This is supported by their expanding patent portfolios, FDA filings, and active deal-making. Our analysis of product development timelines, clinical research, and regulatory data indicates it will take at least 6 to 7 years before direct 3D fabrication represents a significant share of clear aligner manufacturing. Given this timeline and the limited IP, sales infrastructure, and strategic partnerships of newer entrants, we do not view companies like Graphy and LuxCreo as serious contenders in the short to medium term.